Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen, another Ramadan vlog. Looks like you guys really like this. I'm so happy, guys. You can hear it from my voice. Honestly, I really appreciate it. A lot of new subscribers. Welcome, guys. I'm so happy to have you guys here. This is my second actually guys, I started YouTube last 2 years, Ramadan. And we have getting a lot better, guys. If you check my old videos, you'll be really surprised. So alhamdulillah for that. So guys, anyways, today I want to make something, with beef, and then at the same time, I'm not really exactly sure what I'm doing, but guys, this is gonna end up really, really nice. I am pretty sure about that because I put the two together. Back home, they call it dendiru, and then my friend made something really nice. She's one of my closest friends here in Grand Rapids. So the one she made, she only just add salt, olive oil, and then black pepper, and then turmeric. Pretty much that's it, because with that is you appreciate the meat more. But then with me, I kind of want to add a little bit more seasoning, so just like tendiru. So that's why I was like, I'm gonna do that. And also, like I said, I have to use the meat in the next 2 days. If not, I have to freeze it. So anyways, I'm a little bit lazy today, so I was like, you know what, I'll just mix it in a Ziploc. But it was really a terrible idea, so I end up switching it because I was lazy. I was like, I don't want to wash dish or anything like that. My kitchen is clean, so I'm sure you guys know what I'm saying. So anyways, I end up transferring all the seasonings in aluminum foil. That way I marinate it in there. That way if I feel like it, I will wash it. If not, I will just trash it. See, still that will save me time. So anyways, I added like black pepper, garlic, turmeric, and then ginger, salt, Maggi. So do add enough. That's all I will say. And then guys, so guys, keep watching. You'll see how I marinate it and then how I throw it in the oven, and then and we kind of go from there. Alright guys, I hope you guys have noticed how I massage this meat really, really well. Like, so say, because I don't have time to marinate it. So please, if you have time, throw it in the fridge for like 2 hours or more. You can also do this overnight. Gaskiya naman na ungo kayi haka, daɗin da zai ba a magana. It's going to taste really, really good, guys, if you marinate the meat overnight or just for few hours. But I don't have time. That is why I add a little bit more seasonings, and also I massage it really well. And also, I hope you notice the part where I use a knife and make some holes. That way I make sure all the seasonings sun shiga ciki sosai. So yeah guys, and then now I am using aluminum paper and then wax paper. The point for the wax paper is because you don't want it to get stick to the aluminum paper, so that is why. And also you don't want to crowd it, the aluminum paper, so that's another thing. So that's why I'm only putting 2. And at the same time, guys, I have another idea for us. So I want to see which one I would like the most. That is why I thought, let's do this. Anyways, guys, folding it, we don't want any air in. Let's finish with this, guys. So that's why I use 2 aluminum papers. You really don't want any air in, and make sure you fold it really, really nice, just like I'm doing it, guys. And guys, for the second one, here's the idea. This is what I was saying, guys. So I added a lot of onions. Remember, I already added powdered onion because, of course, there's no way you can marinate meat without adding any onions. So I want to see which one I will like the most, and then that way I can be making it more often. So I added a lot of onions. That's like more than half of like one medium onion. Actually, maybe you can just use one medium. And then some green pepper. I just got them out of the freezer because a few days ago I bought too much and then they were going bad. I cut them and freeze them, and it's so easy, guys. I just got them out, used hot water, and now here we go. You can even tell I just got them out of the freezer. So that's another thing with Ramadan. You have to know how to use your time. So anyways, I'm going to fold it just the same way I did with the first one. So the only difference is that this one I added onion and then green pepper. So that's the only difference. And I'm not going to tell you right now which one is my favorite, but let me know already. Comment. Tell me which one do you think is going to taste the best. I feel like I'm already telling you guys. But anyways. So I'm going ahead and throw it in the oven. Guys, I put it in the oven for about 5 hours. It's around 11 a.m. right now, I think. So I already preheated my oven to 350. And then I just throw it in. Yep, as you can see, I was right. It's 350, guys. So I'm going ahead to start with 4 hours. And then I forgot about it. After it told me it was ready, I was busy doing something else. I was taking care of Zaid. So I just let it be. And then after an hour, then I came and got it out. So anyways, guys, keep watching. And then now that I just throw it in the oven, let's see, guys, what is next. Hi, guys. I thought I should just jump and say hello. Yeah, so you guys can see my pretty face. Just kidding. I'm really kidding, guys. But anyways, I'm just thinking what I should do next. If I should go for some stuff upstairs or make a drink. Oh, I know there's a lot to do in the house. Like, I have a lot of stuff that I need to do. So we came back from DC last week. Our suitcase is still upstairs. I mean, it's empty, but Daddy Bilal still didn't get a chance to bring it down, and I didn't too. So anyways, that's kind of a lot of work to do, but I'm just thinking what we should do. And also, by the way, the reason why I'm even really thinking is because even the drink, I don't know what exactly I want. I know I want to make something, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I just know maybe something with mango, something with maybe some lemonade. I don't know, guys. I'm not sure. So we'll figure it out together, because everything I make, I really would love you guys to try it and give me a payback, guys. So let's see. I think it's going to be a drink. So let's go ahead and make the drink, and then that way I can just throw it in the fridge. Sabrina will be here in like 4 hours or so. Also, she's bringing some stuff. That way when she's here, the kitchen is all hers. I don't have to be bothering her. Of course, I will be talking to her, but that way we don't have to both be doing a lot of stuff at the same time. That's why I started cooking early today. So yeah, actually, let's go ahead and make the drink. And yeah, let's hope it's gonna taste really good. So guys, I already told you guys, I'm not sure exactly what I'm making, but I cut one lemon, and then as you can see, I cut it small, and then I threw all of it in there, and then I wanted to get some mango, but the mango is not ripe, so I had to just use this. This is what you use to make mango lassi. So I just open one can, even though I'm not gonna use the whole one can because it's big. I only need half. So, and then when I opened the fridge, I actually was thinking to get lemonade, the one that's already made, the one that you usually buy from the store. But then I was like, but I already have lemons in there. So I was like, okay, something else. So I added the apple cider. I added one, and then one Sprite. So guys, keep watching, and then yeah, I will tell you guys at the end how the drink was, if it was good or not. And guys, I will be honest. I don't want you guys to waste your time. And I don't want you guys to give anything to your family that not going to appreciate it. That is for sure. So you can count that on me. So guys, we're all done. It smells really good. So I have a good feeling it's going to taste really good. One thing I really wish I already checked my fridge and I don't have any, is na'ana mint. But Sabrina is stopping by Maya, so I told her to get me some. Probably I'll just put it in the cups, and that way, it will give it a really nice smell. So yeah guys, I'm going ahead and cover it and throw it in the fridge. And yeah, so actually it feels really good to start everything on time. I like that. All right guys, all right, let's move to the next thing. So guys, I'm sure you guys are thinking, okay, so what are they going to eat? Is Sabrina going to bring even the main dish? Guys, no, I told her not to, because I still have leftover rice from yesterday, and I didn't eat any yesterday. I didn't eat the rice. Guys, really, if you don't know this, I'm not a big fan of rice. I would go a week or a few days. I don't eat rice, even though I cook rice almost every day. Because of course my husband is Nigerian, and I love making rice. It's not like I don't like it, but it just I'm not a big fan of it. So I eat it once in a while. Or I don't know. I can't say I don't eat it, just because I don't want you guys to feel like, oh, she doesn't eat rice at all. No. I will cook rice. If I feel like it, I will eat. If not, then I will eat something else. But anyways, so I didn't eat some from yesterday, but my husband really, really like it. At the same time, I want to make it different, not the same as yesterday. So I put it in a different container, just because, you need to change the vibe, guys. You know what I mean? So I added cashew, as you can see. And then I'm going to throw it in the oven. I just got the meat out, and then I'm going to throw it in the oven, guys. So now let's see the meat. So guys, it is really hot, so please let it cool down for like 30 minutes or so. That's another thing, guys. When you're going to make this, try not to be rushing. So take your time, because this is very easy. Can you imagine, since I throw it in the oven, I didn't bring it out until after 5 hours later. So this one, I noticed the water got out a little bit, the juice, I guess. So it got out a little bit, which is fine. It's not that bad. But I'm really happy. It smells really good. Even though guys, I let it out for 30 minutes, it's still hot. So I can't imagine if you're trying to open this, if you just got it out of the oven. So yeah, it looks really good, guys. And smells amazing. I love the color, by the way. And yeah, the juice, when I get the meat out, I'm going to put it inside the rice, guys. Oops, you guys can really see. Okay, let me fix it a little bit so you guys can see inside the meat. It's really soft. I love it. This is just what I want, guys. Yeah. If I wasn't fasting, I would just throw it in my mouth. But alhamdulillah, we're fasting, so that's good. So yeah, guys, see, I'm just breaking it for you guys to see how soft it is. So anything from 4 hours, you should be fine. Like I already said, like I did mine for like 5 hours. Yeah, so then don't really go over that, unless if you just really, really want it to be melting. So I'm really happy with this result. All right, let's open the other one and see. So yeah, guys, I really don't have to say much. Hands down, this is the best. Absolutely. The moment when I was trying to open it, the onion and the green pepper, just the smell hit me, and then with the smell of the meat, guys, yeah, this is the best one. So yeah, guys, I put it in the same container as the rice. So just making it look nice, and then I'll go ahead and cover it, and then I just got the rice out. So you only have to put the rice in for like 15 minutes or so. Also, you can also turn off the oven and just throw it in there. So if you want to see the rice recipe, you can check my yesterday's blog. I have the recipe in there. All right, guys. So Auntie Sabrina is here. That is burek. I don't know. I'm sure I'm not saying it right, but yeah, I love it, guys. My first time trying it, and already I'm going to share the recipe with you guys. Also, if you guys really want the recipe, let me know. But for me, you will see how crazy I went. That's all I had really, and then just that and harira. She also made harira. If you don't know what harira is, wow, you're missing. Also, before the end of Ramadan, we will make harira together. So we'll make harira and then burek together, and I'm sure many more recipes all together, inshallah. And guys, it is 8:15, so it's iftar time. So for the drink, I added the mint inside the cups, and guys, I'm eager to get to the drink. I already ate like 3 dates, and then I just like how I really want to know how the drink tastes like before anyone else. So, guys, let's drink it together. Yep, guys, it was really, really good. Like, wow. It was really good. We finished all of it, guys. So we just prayed, and then now we're starting with the appetizers, and then the burak is appetizer. So and then harira is the soup. So this is how you eat it in Algeria. You dip it in, and yummy, guys. Guys, I went for a second round for the harira and the burak because it was so good. And that's all I had for iftar. I didn't eat the meat or the rice, but Uncle Manir, he was the first one, and he was like, this is good. So everyone really loved it. Now my husband couldn't even say anything. That's how good it was. And of course, Auntie Sabrina really loved everything too. She was like the rice, the meat. She loved how soft it is. Guys, I thought I'd take you guys along. I made it to Tarawih, and Sabrina stayed at home with the boys, and yeah. So I was like, yeah, let's just end the day all together. After Tarawih, went home, and yeah. And also, guys, I was in the same Sahu as Bestie. Yeah. So we prayed together. Yes, guys, that's Bestie. I'm sure you already know her. So yeah, anyways, guys, inshallah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please, as always, don't forget to pray for us.